Back to old days, back to old ways. Left my home city to Santa Fe. Holding faith for the most great. Only thing guaranteed is time paid. Ex-girl gon' be sick when I pull up in that district. Like, they ain't never seen this shit. Unseen green from the cup, from the piston. Niggas don't have it all, find something missing. Goodbye to broke niggas, but hi to rich niggas. New money, I'm the one that broke the glitch, nigga. Hand itch, oh look, I stumble across this. Couple millions and my haters find offensive. Bye-bye cancer, dear stranger, I take care of you in the grace of God. Until I get the money, I'm just painting pictures on that canvas now. Happy to give you hope for now. Goodbye to hood bitches, goodbye to bad bitches, goodbye to bad bitches, goodbye to bad bitches. I got a classy woman and she ain't need the riches and still got all the digits. And did I forget to mention goodbye to dead homies? We played around with music and didn't take it serious, and every day is music. R.I.P. to Robert Daniel Martinez. We play your songs and my rap is crazy how we made it. Shots for the dead homies, #1 angels who change your life 90 degrees a right angle. I'm sure you the reason why a nigga escape, bro. Especially when I get into some shit and get tangled. Mind scramble, bro. I burn that midnight candle. The big 3 triangle, sisters mental. Had to piece it back together to get it assembled. R.I.P. I hate to see you leave, and I hate to say